Greetings. Today I want to make a small video about another hobby I have next to laserdisc collecting, which is flight simulation. More specifically, Microsoft Flight Simulator 2004. That's what I use. So I'm not going to talk about the software itself. We're going to talk about the flight stick I used to use for it. My hobby started back more than a decade ago, actually, and the first one of this one in front of you, which is a Logitech Extreme 3D Pro, I purchased it originally, the first one I had, also about a decade ago, probably around 2008, for the price of 35 euros back then, so it was a lot cheaper than it is now to begin with. I have very fond memories of that flight stick from back in the day. It was solid, it was heavy, it felt quality made, and the stick itself was solid as rock. Well, apparently since that decade, because I sold my original flight stick years ago because of some other times, but then recently I decided to pick up my flight simulation hobby, and I purchased the same joystick again because I had such a good experience with it. Unfortunately, it disappointed me this time. Apparently the production process has changed or something, and changed for the worse, probably cheaper. To give you the main problem, let me show you. So this is the flight stick. See this? It moves. This is what it does when I just slightly touch. So it's loose as hell. It goes all over the place. The one I bought a decade ago, it had also a different box than this one. It was completely different. This was not existent. It was solid, it was strong. You really needed to move it with some force before it actually moved, and it moved without any sloppiness whatsoever. Well, this one unfortunately isn't. Also, the plastic it's made of, it feels a lot cheaper than it used to be. The plastic back on the original one felt much thicker, much stronger. Also, the weight. It's still relatively heavy, but it's not as heavy as the original. It's quite lighter than that one. So yeah, it's more of a disappointment video. I will probably need. I'm going to search for the old model on eBay, because apparently this one isn't really made to the same standard, and that really disappoints me from Logitech. So just wanted to give a heads up to other flight simulation enthusiasts. If some people are going back to their hobby and also used to have the same model, look for an older one, not the new in a box one, because apparently it's worse. I really don't know how the hell they screwed this up, but unfortunately they did. So I want to leave you with that, and let me know if you had the same experience. Thank you for watching.